Good morning, CASM listeners. This is Brittany Lenzmeier, Outreach and Program Coordinator with the Stearns County SWCD, with your weekly conservation report for Saturday, June 13th. Summer sure has seemed to arrive with the warmer temperatures and the longer days, which has provided some nice growing degree units for our crops. Besides summer arriving, we have a lot of exciting things happening at the Stearns County SWCD. We hosted a virtual webinar called the Sauk Talk on Tuesday evening. This webinar was for landowners located in the Sauk River watershed to learn more about the Sauk River Watershed Easement Program. This program is a habitat protection and restoration program to permanently protect high-quality habitat throughout the Sauk River Watershed District. There are many benefits of having an easement on your property. It protects Minnesota's important wildlife habitat, water quality, and beautiful open spaces. It preserves your family's legacy on the land and ensures quality wildlife experiences for the next generation. You can receive a one-time payment for a permanent conservation easement on lands that are not currently generating income. Receive a free habitat management plan with the potential for financial and technical land management assistance. And join a community of landowners who steward over 55,000 acres of important Minnesota places. If you are a landowner in the Sauk River watershed, we are hosting 2 more virtual Sauk Talks on Tuesday, June 23rd from 7 to 8 p.m. and Tuesday, July 7th from 7 to 8 p.m. These will be hosted via Zoom and pre-registration is required. If you are interested in applying for a Sauk River easement or attending one of the Sauk Talks, please visit our website at www.stearnscountyswcd.net/Sauk River Easement Program, or give our office a call at 320-251-7800, extension 3, and we'd be happy to assist you. We have another few upcoming events happening this summer. The SWCD will be hosting 3 smart salting workshops and 1 turfgrass maintenance workshop. These workshops are free and will be hosted via a live stream webinar. The workshops are presented by Fortin Consulting and the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency. Funding is provided to the MPCA through a grant from the United States Environmental Protection Agency, Section 319, Non-Point Source Management Fund. The first workshop, Smart Salting Level 1 for Property Managers, will take place on Wednesday, July 22nd from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. This workshop teaches property owners and managers how to reduce salt usage, how to know if the maintenance crew is using sustainable practices, and other winter maintenance methods. An optional test is offered to earn the MPCA Level 1 Smart Salting certification in winter maintenance, which is valid for 3 years. The certified individuals are listed on the MPCA website. The second one, the Turfgrass Maintenance Workshop, will take place on Thursday, July 23rd from 8:30 a.m. to 3 o'clock p.m. This workshop teaches property managers, professional lawn care companies, and others how to integrate science with practical turfgrass maintenance while minimizing impacts on the environment. This training offers information on how to effectively use fertilizers and pesticides, understand the life cycle of turfgrass and common weeds, and much more. At the end of the training, an optional certification test is offered in turfgrass maintenance best practices. The third workshop, Smart Salting Level 1, Parking Lots and Sidewalks, will take place on Wednesday, July 29th from 9 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. This workshop teaches those involved in taking care of parking lots and sidewalks. This training offers information about best practices for managing winter parking lots and sidewalks, such as how to gauge weather conditions, best practices for storing materials, and using sustainable practices. An optional test is offered to earn the MPCA Level 1 Smart Salting certification in winter maintenance. The certified individuals are listed on the MPCA website. And the final workshop, Smart Salting Level 1 Roads, will take place on Wednesday, August 19th from 9 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. This workshop teaches city, county, township, and state snowplow drivers or anyone involved in roads to integrate science with practical winter maintenance while minimizing impacts on the environment. This training offers information about best practices for managing snow and ice on roadways, such as how to gauge weather conditions, best practices for storing materials, proper application rates, equipment calibration, and de-icing and anti-icing methods. An optional test is offered to earn MPCA Level 1 Smart Salting Certification. The certified individuals are listed on the MPCA website. If you are interested in any of the workshops, please visit our website at www.stearnscountyswcd.net. On the home page, on the top right corner, you will be able to find links to register for these workshops. If you have questions, please contact our office at 320-251-7800, extension 3, and ask for Brittany. We hope to see you there. If you are on Facebook, remember to like our Facebook page, Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District, to stay up to date on events, news articles, activities, and much more. If you have a question, please do reach out to our office, as staff are available and are working remotely and do have access to email and voicemails. You can find staff emails and direct phone lines on the Stearns County SWCD website. We appreciate everyone's patience. Have a great rest of your day, stay healthy and safe.